Okay, I thought I'd make this short video since I couldn't find any information on my Belarus 520, also known as a Belarus 50, also known as an MTZ 50. Mine's the 520 model, which means it's four-wheel drive. I was having problems with my hydraulics, and this, right in front of the windshield beside the air cleaner, is the hydraulics filter. There's no actual filter, it's discs, and they're cleanable. So after I get this removed, it only took 6 12 mil bolts and this clamp here. I'm going to remove it from the tractor and have a look and see what it looks like inside. Okay, here's what the unit looks like when it comes out. It comes out from that reservoir straight like this. We're going to remove the spring. We're going to remove this cover. And then we're going to remove these rings one by one. See what they look like. Ooh, that's pretty nasty. As well as that one. Oh, they're all pretty nasty. Okay, I'm going to remove the rest of these rings and I'll clean them up, and then I'll show you the difference on what they look like from now until when I'm finished cleaning them. Okay, now you can look on the left hand side and you can see the ones I've already cleaned, and the ones on the left are ones that haven't been cleaned yet. I don't know if you can see. The ones that were in the center were completely caked with black goo and disgusting. So I'm going to switch them in positions and put the middle ones at the top because they were the cleanest. Put the top ones at the bottom and the bottom ones at the top as I reassemble them. Also, something to note, it looks like there's steel mesh, and on top of that steel mesh is like a yellowish, really fine mesh. So don't go thinking that the steel mesh that you can see through underneath, you have to poke all those mesh things. You'll wreck the very fine mesh that sits on top of them. Alright, so 6 more to go and then I can reassemble it. Okay, after over an hour of cleaning, I blew the outside out, all the gunk off the outside. Then I blew it from the inside of the ring to the outside, and then I scrubbed them all with a soft brush. And now I'm going to reassemble them. Starting with this ring and foam washer. The foam goes towards the bolt. Okay, and this was the order they needed to go back in, from the top all the way down to the bottom. And as I said, I'm going to switch it up, and we're going to start from the bottom one. Okay, and now we're going to take the cleanest ones and put them in the center where the other ones were the dirtiest. Okay. Now the filter is back together. And I'm going to reinstall it back in its position.